Hello gorgeous, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video, it's all about achieving a well-defined cleavage with the power of bronzer. I think that many Hollywood celebrities and even models are now playing up their cleavages by applying bronzer makeup to the tops and outside of their breast. Start out by wearing a push-up bra and use either a powdered bronzer makeup to outline your cleavage. And I think this makeup technique can make your cleavage look more natural by tricking the eyes of the audience. And of course, if you doesn't want to consider having either a breast lift or breast augmentation, a breast lift by the use of your makeup can help make your breasts look rounder, fuller, and perkier without modifying and going under the knife. I don't want to seduce my viewers, but if I don't show this, you wouldn't be able to achieve that extra bombshell look into this kind of makeup. So some of the actresses and models, Victoria's Secret angels, are having such a really good bronzing effect into their décolleté so that we can achieve a more defined cleavage with the power of your bronzer. First, we have to dip your powder brush in the dark bronzer and shake off the excess. Start where your breast strap meets up with a cap and then apply the bronzer along the curve of that area and then down the inner edge of your cleavage. Do this on both sides and the crescent shape will make your breasts look more voluptuous and round. And also using a small soft blush brush, sweep contouring powder or bronzer at least 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone, and just up and down the area between your breasts. Next, we have to envision a curved Y shape, sweeping your bronzer along the natural curvature and roundness at the top of each of the breasts. This will create an illusion, and that is how we look great and voluptuous. Did you see that? So now you're gonna be like a fashion model, fashionista, whatever you call it, but you're gonna be look gorgeous, and with that gorgeous Victoria's Secret glowy look. Hopefully I achieve it to you guys. So this is the final look, and hopefully you like it. And if you want to know more of my makeup look, just comment down below and I'm gonna try doing it for you. Please push the notification bell so you can follow me in all of my videos. So see you guys, hopefully you like this look.